Lead System presents the course Indian Cities Alphabet Adventure. Welcome to our journey through the vibrant cities of India, from A to Z. Let's explore the diversity, culture, and beauty of each city. A is for Amritsar. Amritsar is known for its rich cultural heritage and is home to the famous Golden Temple, Durgiana Mandir and Wagha border. B is for Bengaluru. The Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru is famous for its tech industry, beautiful parks, and vibrant nightlife. C is for Chennai. This coastal city is known for its classical music, dance, and the iconic Marina Beach. D is for Delhi. The capital city of India, Delhi boasts historical landmarks like the Red Fort, India Gate and the bustling markets of Chandni Chowk. E is for Ernakulam. This part of Kerala is known for its beautiful backwaters and the vibrant culture of Kochi. F is for Faridabad. An industrial hub in Haryana, Faridabad is known for its rapid development and green spaces like the town park. G is for Gangtok. Gangtok, the capital of the Indian state of Sikkim, is famous for its stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, and spiritual significance. H is for Hyderabad. Known as the city of pearls, Hyderabad is famous for its historic Charminar and delicious biryani. I is for Indore. This city in Madhya Pradesh is renowned for its clean streets and the bustling Sarafa Bazaar. J is for Jaipur. The pink city of India, Jaipur is known for its stunning palaces and vibrant culture. K is for Kolkata. The cultural capital of India, Kolkata is famous for its literature, art, and the Grand Victoria Memorial. L is for Lucknow. This city is known for its historic architecture and the delicious Avdi cuisine. M is for Mumbai. The financial capital of India, Mumbai is home to Bollywood and the iconic Gateway of India. N is for Nagpur. Known as the Orange City, Nagpur is famous for its juicy oranges and the zero-mile marker. O is for Ooty. This hill station in Tamil Nadu is known for its stunning tea gardens and the picturesque Nilgiri mountain railway. P is for Puducherry. Puducherry, formerly known as Pondicherry, in India is famous for several things, especially for its unique blend of French and Indian culture, serene beaches, and spiritual retreats. Q is for Quilong, also known as Kollam. This city in Kerala is known for its cashew industry and the serene Ashtamudi Lake. R is for Ranchi. The capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi is known for its beautiful waterfalls and vibrant tribal culture. S is for Surat. The diamond city of India, Surat is famous for its diamond cutting and polishing industry. T is for Tiruvananthapuram. The capital of Kerala, it's known for its beaches, the Padmanabha Swami temple, and rich cultural heritage. U is for Udaipur. The city of lakes, Udaipur is famous for its stunning palaces and beautiful lakes. V is for Varanasi. One of the oldest living cities in the world, Varanasi is known for its ghats and the sacred Ganges river. W is for Warangal. This city in Telangana is known for its historical fort and beautiful temples. X is for Zeldam. A small town in Goa, Zeldam is known for its serene environment and local charm. Y is for Yavatmal. Known for its cotton production, Yavatmal is a key agricultural hub in Maharashtra. Z is for Zunhabato. This town in Nagaland is known for its scenic landscapes and rich Naga culture. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible cities of India. Each city has its unique charm and story, showcasing the diversity and richness of our nation. For more insightful courses, please visit courses.leadsystems.in.